welcome to this short breathing meditation designed specifically for beginners. I'm so glad you've chosen to join me today. The session will help you find calm and balance in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes if that feels good for you. Take a moment to just relax your body. Release any tension in your face, shoulders, arms, and legs. Feel your body supported by the surface beneath you. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breathing without trying to change it. Inhale slowly and softly through your nose, filling your belly with air from bottom to the top. Continue filling your lungs so that your chest expands outward and upwards towards your collarbones in a slow wave-like motion. Inhale as much air as you comfortably can without straining. Exhale slowly through your mouth, allowing your collarbones to sink first, all over your chest, and finally letting your belly gently fall back in. Make sure that your inhale and exhale are smooth, not forced, just calm. When you breathe, visualize a gentle wave of water rising from your belly up to your chest and then flowing back down again as you exhale. Imagine this wave washing away any tension or discomfort with each cycle of breath. See the water as calm and clear, soothing every part of you it touches. Now focus on making your exhale a bit longer than your inhale. Breathe in for 4, 2, 3, 4. Hold for count of 4, 2, 3, 4. And exhale for count of 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue this pattern for a few breaths. Allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Notice how you feel. Take a moment to appreciate the sense of calm and relaxation you created. And carry this feeling of peace, clarity, and mindfulness with you as you continue your day, allowing it to influence your actions, thoughts, and interaction with others. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to become aware of your surroundings, feeling the connection between your body and the space around you. Embrace the sense of calm and relaxation that you have cultivated during this meditation. Thank you for joining me in this short breathing meditation. And remember, you can always return to this practice anytime you need a moment in calm in your life. Namaste.